Hey guys, so I've been doing the rocker panels on this 2007 Silverado 1500, and I'm going to show y'all some tips and tricks here that we done that made it a little bit easier. Might help somebody later on down the road. Let's get started. As you can see, it's dry running my doors, and in order to hold this rocker panel up, put sheet metal screws in it. So, one here in the corner, one here, one here. I know that thing popped open. It sounded like it dragged whenever it opened up. That's just the door. Used to be adjusted. But I got sheet metal screws here. There's a little gap right here. So what I've been doing on this is just cutting right back in here and then flaring this a little bit and then pushing it back and then filling everything in here. And obviously I'd fill this right here in. You go to the front door and it's the same thing here. So, but sheet metal screws, man, work like a charm. I'll fill that right there in. But it's just the easiest way to hold this. Get you some vice grips or something right here along this seam and pinch it somewhere in here enough to hold it. Run you about 3 or 4 sheet metal screws in there, you're golden. And you can dry around your doors. And then what I'll do is take a drill bit and drill little holes right in here in spots, not all the way through the back part, and I'll weld to them holes. And I'm keeping the truck, so I'm not planning on selling it. So I'll leave some of these sheet metal screws in here, just grind the backs off of them, spot weld it, make sure it stays in. Obviously that's not the perfect way to do it, but I'm not selling the truck. It'll be sturdy. So, but yeah, hope that helps you. See you later.